In the haze of America's post-war boom, the Ford Fairlane emerged not just as a car, but as a symbol of elegance on wheels. Named after Henry Ford's estate, Fairlane, this machine didn't shout for attention, it glided into it with quiet confidence. Introduced in 1955, the Fairlane stepped in to replace the aging Customline and Crestline, positioning itself as Ford's new full-size flagship. Its timing couldn't have been more precise. The American dream was stretching across highways, and families sought not only transportation but a statement of progress, stability, and a touch of flair. The early Fairlanes captured that spirit with sweeping chrome, long horizontal bodies, and a two-tone color palette that mirrored the optimism of the era. The styling borrowed from the jet age, with modest tail fins and intricate side moldings that hinted at motion even when parked. Beneath that sculpted hood sat a V8 engine that gave the Fairlane its confident stride. Ford's Y-block V8 offered robust torque and respectable acceleration, ensuring that the Fairlane wasn't just about looks, it could deliver performance when prompted. As years passed, the Fairlane adapted with remarkable agility. By the 1960s, the model had transformed from a full-size cruiser into a mid-size contender, bridging the gap between practicality and muscle. The 1962 redesign marked a significant pivot, with the car being downsized to fit evolving consumer demands. Lighter and more agile, the new Fairlane opened doors to innovation. It was among the first to house Ford's lightweight small-block V8, the now legendary 221 cubic inch engine. This move wasn't just about saving weight, it hinted at a deeper shift, one that would later give rise to the muscle car era. As the 1960s roared to life, so did the Fairlane's identity. While early models embodied grace and comfort, the mid-decade versions flirted with raw power. The Fairlane GT and GTA variants launched in 1966 showed a wild side few expected. With 390 cubic inches of V8 muscle and dual exhausts, the Fairlane transformed into a genuine performance threat. The design evolved accordingly, cleaner lines, meaner grills, and an unmistakable sense of purpose. Even its silhouette seemed to lean forward, as if eager to sprint. Racing wasn't far behind. Ford tapped into the Fairlane's potential and brought it to the drag strip and NASCAR circuits. The Thunderbolt, a special 1964 Fairlane built by Ford's performance division, embodied this ambition. Stripped of weight, stuffed with a 427 volts 8, and designed solely for domination, the Thunderbolt was a factory-built race weapon. It won races, shattered records, and forever etched the Fairlane name into muscle car lore. Few cars blurred the lines between showroom civility and track-ready savagery the way the Thunderbolt did. Yet, even as the Fairlane chased speed, it never forgot its family roots. Interiors remained comfortable and refined. Bench seats wrapped in vinyl and cloth blends, dash layouts that emphasized simplicity and visibility, and optional features like air conditioning and upgraded radios catered to those who saw their Fairlane not as a toy, but a dependable companion for daily life. The balance between thrill and utility became one of its defining traits. As the 1970s approached, the Fairlane began to fade from Ford's spotlight. The Torino took over its performance duties, and the market's shift toward compact efficiency nudged the Fairlane toward retirement. But its legacy didn't vanish. The Fairlane left behind more than metal and memories, it laid groundwork. It proved that a car could evolve without losing its soul, that performance and practicality weren't mutually exclusive, and that a name could mean something more when built with vision. Today, when a Fairlane rolls onto the scene at a car show or purrs quietly through a suburban street, it brings with it echoes of an era where design was daring, engines roared unapologetically, and every drive felt like a step forward. It's more than a classic, it's a bridge to a time when the road ahead was always full of promise.